Here's how you can fix Bluetooth headphones not working in Discord Mobile. First, make sure your Bluetooth headphones are properly connected to your phone. Open your device's Bluetooth settings and confirm that your headphones are connected and selected as the active audio output. If they aren't, reconnect them before opening Discord. Next, open the Discord app and select the back icon at top left corner. Then, tap your profile icon at the bottom and then select Settings to access user settings. Here, scroll down and open Voice. Check the output volume and make sure it isn't muted or set too low. If you have the option, verify that your Bluetooth headphones are selected as the audio output device. Then, scroll to the Advanced section in the voice settings. Enable features such as noise suppression, echo cancellation, automatic gain control, and advanced voice activity. If they're already enabled and the issue continues, try turning them off and back on to refresh the audio settings. You can also restart your phone, update Discord to the latest version, and make sure your headphones work correctly in other apps. That's all for this video. Thanks.